Alright, in this video I'm gonna tell you how I changed the hatches on this thing, because let's be honest, the stock ones are crap. I'll go off the beach a lot, and obviously I'm going through surf in Florida, and I just end up with tons of water inside the hull because those stock ones aren't waterproof at all. So I ripped them out. These ones are a little bit bigger, as you can see, but goop's taking up the difference. I mean, it's not plastic wise, it's just the overhang, like the actual lips sat on the plastic, so I just gooped it so it'd be totally waterproof. And then we got pop rivets, which in upon themselves are waterproof because these ones do have O-rings on the inside, but I just gooped them anyway so no water can trickle down, because like I said, all this cockpit fills up with water when I'm slamming through waves and I have to wait for it to drain, which is a pain in the butt. But these ones twist on, they have a foam O-ring all the way around, which if you don't know, foam is the way to go because it's waterproof. Rubber seals don't work on hatches. They leak like nobody's business. So these are twist on. They're a lot bigger. I think these are 6-inch ones. I ripped them both out because, like I said, this one wasn't so bad, but the other one actually broke, which prompted me to do it, and then I realized it was waterproof after the fact. But I just used the Dremel to cut it out, stenciled it. You can see better on this one actually. That's just the lip. So you stencil the outside of this lip and then Dremel it out. Then just drill straight down. Times 6, yeah, the 6. And then pop rivet it in. So if you don't have a pop rivet tool, go to Harbor Freight because they're super cheap. Like, I think I paid $12 or something insane like that. Pop rivet those down, and then the rivets are sitting nice and flush, so you won't catch yourself on them. And then I just gooped. I just put some goop on them when I put them in. But these are totally waterproof. I tested it by plugging the scuppers with some foam balls, and then I actually filled all this area up with water with a hose pipe. Put my GoPro inside the hull, no leaks. So it's 100% waterproof, which you cannot say about the factory ones. Alright. And then I decided to put this in because I used to have a trolling motor on this thing and aluminum outriggers, and you can kind of see the holes which I've gooped up. But anyway, I can't remember the size of this hatch. It's something insane, like 12 inches across. But this is totally waterproof as well. I used a Dremel. You could use a jigsaw. Actually, I think I did use a jigsaw. Which, if you get a fine bit blade on it, fine on plastic. Anyway, so I don't know where it locks. It's inside. This one's got a rubber O-ring around it, but it's a different design because it's folding down, and it's sitting in this. It sits on the inside. It makes it waterproof. So I got stainless screws all the way around the outside. And then I got these bolts, which are also stainless. That's just, I don't know where that rust has come from. It's not on the actual bolt, stuck to the glue. Just to nip the corners down, because obviously it wasn't totally a flat surface, but since I put this on, I warmed up the plastic a little bit with a heat gun, and I made it flat. But this is great for putting stuff inside, because I mean, there's my hand in comparison. I think it's a 10-inch, 12-inch, no, it's probably a 12-inch hatch, 14-inch overall. It's big, you can fit tons of crap inside. It's totally waterproof, I've tested that. But I used to have a foam pad, actually it's right here, that I'd put on there, but I've since upgraded to a stadium chair. I think it's the clip, that's where I clip the stadium chair onto. But yeah, works great. Definitely recommend ripping out the useless, for lack of a better term, factory ones. Yeah.